I've been in the rideshare industry since the beginning. It's been already 2014, so it's been already 11 years of rideshare as part of our lives. Ride sharing has become part of our lives. Namely, Uber or Lyft were the main players in this industry. And at the beginning of this endeavor, right, when this business started, there were no tips, right? There were no tips, and also there were. It's only the star rating was important. So you really try to serve well and give good service to your client, right? In order to get those coveted 5 stars. So it's very important for you to give your passengers as a driver, your passengers a really good experience. So my friends sent me this sign so that I can show it to you guys. It's a funny sign that you can set up for your passengers, right? It gives them a nice chuckle. Let me open it up. So it's basically reminds them, right? And opens the door for them to ask for whatever they need, whether they need a charge, if they need to change the temperature, right? The music. And then, it basically, it's asking everyone to give 5 stars, right? And it's funny. I mean, it's a cute sign, right? Let me see if you see it there. And then at the bottom, it says something real cool. Yeah, your driver is 70% caffeine and 30% good vibes, or 30% caffeine, 70% good vibes. And it's because, that's what you want to convey to your passengers, that you're a cool driver, and that this sign is just to remind them that you are at the best disposition to offer great service. And, these kind of things, they do make a difference. This comes with you see it has these little holes here. It's made out of metal. This sign is going to last forever. It's metal in the back, and then this laminated plastic in the front. So I think you see there where they glue it together, and it comes with the strap so that you hang it. And this preferably goes, well, where I recommend that it goes. If you're driving here, the passengers usually sit to your back like that. So you want to put that in the back seat, on the passenger side in the back seat. You hang it there with the straps that come with it. And it's going to be a really nice reminder of for the passenger to give you your 5 stars, but also to tip. These kind of things work, and I recommend it. As not only a driver, but a Lyft ambassador. I was a Lyft ambassador for many, many years. I know for sure that having these things in your car is going to change the experience of your passengers, and therefore make you a lot of good money. Super, super recommended.